Did you know there's a creature that eats parts of its own body to survive? Meet the ribbon worm, one of nature's weirdest wonders. Ribbon worms can grow up to 30 meters long, making them one of the longest animals on Earth, longer than a blue whale. And here's the craziest part. When food is scarce, they eat parts of their own body to stay alive. Even more amazing, they can fully regenerate what they've lost. To hunt, ribbon worms use sticky mucus to trap their prey, leaving no chance of escape. It's like nature's glue gun in action. Longer than a whale, self-eating, and slimy hunters. The ribbon worm is truly bizarre. Want to hear more amazing facts? Like and subscribe for more.